Hey guys, Alex here with 911R Avant-Garde. We're here with the 308 GT4. I want to do a quick walk around, point out a few paint imperfections, and point out some really cool things that are done to this this Ferrari, this beautiful example. A lot of people not a huge fan of the non-pininfarina body. I think it's a stunning car. It looks super nice. Surprisingly, I'm 6'1". I fit into it perfectly. I can actually, I got headroom, my knees aren't hitting the steering wheel, I can shift, everything works, heel toe. It's a really nice car, it drives well, motor was just rebuilt. This thing rips, as you can see from the driving video. On top of that, we just wrapped all the wheels. Since we shot it, we put fresh, brand new Michelins all the way around, all four wheels. It has the proper stance now, it has fresh rubber. You can hop in this and just take off as soon as you get it. So it's ready to rock and roll. It's been repainted. There are some imperfections here on the rear we talked about. There's a little bit of a, not sure what's going on here, but there's a little bit of imperfection there. Vehicle is a little bit dirty because we just knocked out all the videos. We'll do, once we're done with this video, we'll do a new paint correction. We'll get it back to the condition of which it was when we photographed. So going from there, let's make our way around. On the back here, I don't really see anything that needs to be mentioned. Paint's pretty decent back there. Let's go ahead and open up the rear compartments, show you those. Latches work perfectly, locks into place. In here, this was all redone. This is new carpet, new vinyl. Everything's nice and tidy. It looks like there's a new antenna motor there. So this is a really nice example that's been obviously well cared for. There's a good amount of receipts. Some photos of the engine rebuild are in the gallery. See, everything's nice and tidy. The AC compressor is removed. We had a few questions about that, but besides that, I mean, it doesn't leak. It's nice and stout. The motor has phenomenal throttle response. It has good power band. It does not seem like it's struggling at all. During the driving video, I was pleasantly surprised, you know, grinning ear to ear, just going through the gears. You know, nothing feels better than a good Ferrari motor with a gated shifter. Okay, now let me go ahead and close this so we can go on to the passenger side here. Passenger side, there is a little bit of the same thing that's happening on the driver's side there, on the paint. Once again, fresh rubber. Going on the interior, interior is really nice. The door cards are in really nice condition. They were redone. Same with the rear seats were rewrapped recently. It's a really nice high quality vinyl. It almost tricked me. It almost looks like leather. And then the front seats were rewrapped at some point in its life. We don't know when, but they've held up super nice. Same with the dash. Dash is in phenomenal condition. This is just a really cool example that you can just hop in. Headliners all nice and tidy. You know, fresh motor rebuild, fresh tires, been repainted, new interior. You can hop in and enjoy it right away. There's nothing that it really needs to be sorted. It's a great driving car, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button, and good luck.